G'day folks, and welcome to the latest episode of Print21, the weekly news bulletin for the Australian and New Zealand print industries. I'm Print21's editor, Jan Areza, and this week's episode is brought to you by Ball & Doggett, Australia's leading distributor of printable materials, press consumables and printing equipment. Alright, so let's kick things off with a new alliance being formed. The Australian Sign and Graphics Association has linked up with the International Sign Association in a bid to significantly expand the professional development, research access and global industry connections available to Australian sign businesses. Under the agreement, all eligible ASGA members will automatically receive ISA membership with no additional dues required, instantly unlocking access to ISA's extensive education, research and industry resources. These resources include structured industry training that supports skills development across design, production, digital and business operations, excluding safety standards which remain governed by Australian requirements. When speaking to Print21, Damien Nielsen, Vice President and Member and Events Manager at ASGA, said the goal ultimately was to lift member value, strengthen the association's position as the specialist authority for the Australian sign and graphics sector, and connect the industry to international developments in materials, technology, digital signage and market trends. Mick Harold, President of ASGA, added that the partnership represented a major step forward for the Australian signage sector, with direct access now available to the world's largest sign association, and all the training, research and insights that come along with that. Next up, Currie Group has formed a new partnership with IUV, a global developer of UV and LED curing systems for printing, coding and converting, to deliver solutions in Australia and New Zealand. Through the partnership, Currie Group will introduce IUV's full portfolio of curing technologies to customers across the ANZ, including Mercury UV, hybrid and LED curing systems designed to support high-performance production across a wide range of printing applications. IUV's technology platform incorporates several innovations designed to improve production efficiency and long-term reliability, such as automatic width detection for LED curing systems, which automatically adjusts the curing area to match the printed material, reducing energy consumption by up to 75% while extending LED lifespan. Mark Dawes, Director of Labels and Packaging for ANZ at Currie Group, said the partnership brings together advanced curing technology from IUV's highly innovative portfolio, with Currie Group's local infrastructure to ensure access to parts, service and technical support is easily accessible when needed. Then to Epson X, which is fully backing the first coordinated national roadmap to rebuild targeted domestic manufacturing capability across Australia's textile, clothing and footwear sectors. The 10-year strategy is the result of almost a year of industry consultation led by the Australian Fashion Council, of which Epson is the official print and projection partner to, and R.M.Williams, and included 14 national consultations with manufacturers, brands, educators and policymakers across the country. Craig Heckenberg, Managing Director of Epson Australia, said Epson is proud to support the national manufacturing strategy and to assist in helping to accelerate the adoption of advanced digital technologies that can drive greater sustainability, unlock new opportunities and create the jobs of the future. Over to Miraclon now, which unveiled what it called its most advanced plate technology to date, its next-gen FlexCell Prime. Designed to retain the industry-leading characteristics of FlexCell NX plates, FlexCell Prime introduces new performance-driven features that help printers reduce press stops, improve plate reuse, and increase overall press uptime. According to the company, over 5,000 commercial print jobs have already been produced with the new plate, and users have already confirmed tangible performance improvements in daily production. And finally, the Visual Media Association has expanded its International Study Tour program as part of the 41st National Print Awards, which offers emerging leaders from Australia's print and visual media industry the opportunity to travel to the UK to engage with the global print community. Isabel Clark from Flying Colours Group and Zadie Jackson from Ball & Doggett were the recipients of the inaugural study tour last year. This year, the UK study tour will be awarded to emerging talent, women of industry and employee of the year winners, with VMA currently seeking a final sponsor to include the Supplier of the Year recipient. Together, the winners will form an Australian delegation travelling to the UK for a week-long professional development experience. Kelly Northwood, Chief Executive Officer of the VMA, said the study tour connects Australian talent with the global print community and gives our emerging leaders the chance to experience international innovation, sustainability and new thinking shaping the future of print. Well folks, that's all the time we have for today. For more on these and other stories, head over to our website print21.com.au. Thanks to our sponsor Ball & Doggett, Australia's leading distributor of printable materials, press consumables and printing equipment. This is Jan Areza, editor of Print21, signing off for another week.